What's the matter?
My recliner's stuck.
Oh,
It won't come up.
oh dear.
It's dead. Oh no! How can I get up? I'll have to stay here.
Crawl over. Crawl over.
Okay, we'll have a look at it and see if we can figure it out.
Okay.
That'll do nicely, thank you.
Can you find anything?
Well, I'm looking for a trapped cable, but so far I can't see any traps at all. It's looking good. I can't see. Oh, what's that? Ah, that's it. That's where the problem is. Look,
Oh.
there. The cable's worn through. Well, that's a bit of bad design, isn't it?
And
that's what's causing the
How come?
problem.
How come?
Don't know. Right, I'll fix that. There we are. This is where the problem is. Look, that's just about worn through, that one cable there. The others are all right. So I'll just fix that one cable. I make a bit of slack like that, and then just, do you know, it's not right through. It must have been shorting out. It's not worn right through.
Didn't Janet say she saw a flash of red?
She did.
So it might be that.
She could be right.
Yeah.
That's all.
It is turned off, isn't it, Tony?
Yeah, there's not even plugged in. Oops. Yeah, so there we are. I'll join these together. There the ends.
What happens if I go to the other side?
And then all I'm going to do really is screw these together and test it. Pull that out. Yeah, there's plenty
not much
of free cable there. So if I screw these together,
just screw.
just for
You
a
don't
test.
have to.
Well, I maybe solder it later, but just to make sure it works.
Okay.
Make sure this is going to do the job.
Okay.
I'll just screw them together and then test it. But because I'm going to have to put it upright, I'll have to insulate it as well.
Okay.
So I'll just insulate it. Yeah, I'll just insulate it like that.
Because you're going to put it next to the metal, is that it? Is that why?
Yes.
And then you have to take it off again
Then
to
I'll
do it properly.
Yeah, I'll do it properly tomorrow. If this cures it, and it looks like it should do.
Okay. You're clever.
Nope. It's all about logic. This is probably the worst way to re-insulate it, but just for a quick test, it will do. Is that worn through as well? Oh, do you know what? I think the green one's worn through as well. No, it's not. It's bared, but it's not gone through the cable at all. Right. What we can do, I suppose, is just connect it up and see whether there's any signs of life. But I can't, because I can't get to the switch from the switch is underneath.
Underneath. Oh.
Yeah. So
It's on the other side, isn't it?
I'm gonna have to put it the right way up
Yeah,
to get
okay.
back at the switch. But that means that should lay at the side
Just
rather than
leave it, yeah.
right underneath the moving metal part. That should be okay there. So it's enough to just test it.
Okay.
The cable is, oh yeah, the cable's there.
Whoa, you clever lad.
Hooray!
Hooray! My goodness gracious me, Tony, you're so clever. You are fantastical. Just imagine that, eh? Eh?
Okay, so let's see if it works.